Hello, it's Fast Charlie, and I've got a lock here from Average Picker. It's a grungy old Yale. Looks like perfect challenge lock material. Let's see what we can do with it first. Again, here's the key. I think it's 5-pin, and we'll start off using this offset hybrid by Sparrows. That keyway is wide open. Not like a lot of Yales, where you kind of have to work at it to figure out how to tension it and how to attack the pins. But that thing popped right open for us. Let's see what else we can do. Use a hook, just a regular hook, and we'll go clockwise this time. This doesn't seem like the kind of lock that anyone's going to be putting on their front door anytime soon. So we'll just figure out what's going on with it and make a challenge lock out of it. Which is, I think, exactly what Average Picker wanted us to do. Oh, what did I do there? There we go. Popped right open. You know what? Let's see. I'm going to see what else we can do here. All right. I got this guy here. Let's see if we can rake it. Look at this. It's a Sparrows city rake with just like a couple pieces of veneer wood on it. Oh my goodness! Wow, that wanted to go right away. Let's see if we can do it the other way too. Holy mackerel! Well, that's the tool for this one. Let's see what else we can do. You know, I would really like to zip them sometimes. Let's see if we can do it. Got this half diamond. There's a false set. There we go. Look at that. That is wild. All right. Let's try it the other way. Holy mackerel. Wait a minute. Let's put that key in here. Oops. Let's rake these down. Just make sure that they are down. Holy mackerel. Well, there you go. If you ever need to get into a Yale in an emergency, that is the way to go. Let's see if we can do it with just this hook. Just this regular old hook. Oops. There we go. Got it that way. Let's see about this way. I don't know if there's enough room this way. Well, maybe if we go top of keyway. Wow. Well, this is a perfect candidate for a challenge lock, because, like I said, after seeing that open up, I don't think anybody's going to want that on their front door. But we'll do what we can to try to make it a little bit more difficult. Oops. Sorry about that. A little wobbly. Got my screwdriver back down here. Thought this would be a fun one for Stock Lock Sunday. And it was. I was thinking about doing some other ones, some high security locks, but I have not had much luck or much time to practice for that matter. I can't imagine that we would need a shim. You know what? Wow, that is a 6-pin. I'm wondering, I just wonder, are any of the... Oh, there's a master wafer. I'm not sure where that came from. I assume that came from 2. There's another master. Interesting. Some of these pins, they're tapered a little bit at the top, these key pins. And so far we have three master wafers. See if there are any more. Oh, wow, that one is stacked. Again, I think this one came out of 2. That had a master wafer in it. Super clean spring. I was expecting this thing to be dirty inside. Nice copper springs. Standard driver so far, besides the master wafers. Whoop. Well, oh boy. I wonder if that key works with the masters, the master wafers, or if that's just the regular key with no wafers. We'll check it out in just a second. Nothing done up top. We're going to put these in here real quick. And so it looks like 4 of the chambers, from what I can tell, had wafers in them. Now let's check this key out. Okay, so wow. Wowzers. Number 4. What's up with that? That looks like it's rounded a bit. It definitely, that wafer in 4 would definitely sit on top of it. So it's definitely, it'll definitely work without that. Let's see. Let's see what happens real quick. I was totally not expecting to do this. But we'll load this thing back up and see just how it picks after removing those wafers. See if we can still rake it open. My guess is that it might not be quite as easy to rake open, but we'll see. Oops. Trying to get this back on timely. Is that right? I don't know. Which way does it go? I think it went that way. Maybe it only goes one way. Not sure. started. Had an interesting day today. Got some stuff done that's been needing to be done. It's finally a little bit warm outside, so I worked on my truck. I have an older pickup truck that I use to haul things around in, and the clutch started acting weird and making weird noises. This still works perfectly. And it did that in the fall, and I haven't really been driving it because last time I drove it, it was acting like it was never going to shift again. It's a manual, it's a 5-speed. And I drained all the fluid out of the transmission, clutch area. I don't know anything about cars really, but I was able to follow the instructions. And you don't put you put regular transmission fluid in, automatic transmission fluid in it, which I thought was odd, but that's what you do. And I did it, took it for a drive, and works great. Let's see, we had super good luck with this guy again. Oh, there we go. Not as easy now. Not as easy now. Well, we are gonna definitely turn this into a challenge lock, and it should be fun. We'll see how this picks real quick. Definitely not the same lock. It's like a totally different, completely different lock. You wouldn't even think that was the same. Well, I think that is going to be a great challenge lock. All right. Well, there you have it. Stock Lock Sunday lock. Definitely going to be much more fun now. Oh, almost had it. I think. Yeah, this is going to be much more fun now. Cool. Well, that's what I like to see. Still one sets right away. Excuse me, I really thought that it was a 5-pin lock. Uh-oh. There's the big old false set. There we go. Yay. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Be good, be well. Thanks for the lock average picker.